Hello, 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 Unity. My name is Inri, and I would like to share today's daily word with you. And that word is joy. Our affirmation today is, my joy is complete as I realize my oneness with God. Within every trial is an opportunity to spiritually surrender, deepen in faith, and grow in awareness of God. Growing closer to God is the silver lining surrounding the clouds of human experience. In that silver lining, I could discover my joy. There have been times when I felt I had nowhere to turn, no one in whom I could trust. It was precisely at my lowest points I discovered the depths of my faith and the power of God's loving presence. Over time, my circumstances improved and my difficulties resolved. I took from those troubles a closer relationship with God and a deeper understanding of my divine gifts. If troubles visit me again, I will meet them with faith and persevere, finding joy in rising again. And our scripture today is, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of any kind, consider it nothing but joy. And that is from James 1:2. Thank you.